Okay, let's start maybe. Um, yeah, okay. Hope my audio is coming in. Hope so. Yeah, seems like it. Okay, so hmm, let's start with Tauri. So I just discovered Tauri today, and what I'm thinking is I'll check this out because anyway I'm building a app where I have to like go to sites. So let's build like a native Windows something. So what this says is Tauri is a framework for building tiny fast binaries for all major desktop and mobile platforms. Developer can integrate any front-end framework that compiles to HTML, JavaScript, CSS for building that user experience while leveraging language such as Rust, Swift, Kotlin for backend logic when needed. Okay. So basically what this is doing is it lets you use any kind of front-end framework, and instead using a backend by itself, you use Rust, Swift or Kotlin. So like native app development languages. So I'm going to use npm by the way. So anyway, this is like a flexible architecture, smaller app size. This is okay. Now prerequisite system dependencies. I already installed all the dependencies and everything I configured. So Rust I have installed just couple of minutes ago, so I don't have to do that in stream. And then there is configure for mobile targets. That's one thing. I'm not doing for mobile, so we'll like shift this later. So we'll see, check this out later. Hmm. Now, let's create a project, maybe a test project. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to see projects. In here, maybe I'll create a test, and here I'll open up my no, not GUI, shit, bash here. Okay, just a second. Yeah, okay, back. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to run this. Uh, what is this? And what was that? Npm create Tauri app. Paste, enter. Let's see. Okay, it's trying to download the package. Yeah, I don't have that. Let's download. Maybe increase the font size a bit. Yeah. So now let's give a project name. Maybe testing Tauri. Okay, identifier something maybe com dot testing Tauri dot app. Okay, I'm going to use TypeScript, JavaScript, correct. Uh, choose which language to use for front end. I choose that. Choose your package manager. NPM is one. I'm going to use React. And what will be my UI flavor? It will be TypeScript. So that's that. So okay, it's already created. So it's saying to go inside testing Tauri, npm install, and then I run. Okay, Android development I'm not doing. I'm doing a desktop development. So npm run Tauri dev. Okay, okay, got it. So in the meantime, let's talk about what is the like key feature of the Tauri. So I just checked why Tauri. If you see in here, Tauri has three main big advantages. One is a smaller bundle size, which is very good because this is now in here. There is one more thing, that is the system native web view. So basically app usually use some kind of web views, correct? So maybe some app like Amazon have a web view inside them, so it's something similar. So let's run Tauri dev maybe. Let's see. Oh yeah, initially it takes like a lot of time. So in the meantime, let's open up our folder in VS Code. So VS Code, maybe not here, maybe from here. Okay, I cannot do that. So let's do another bash here. From there I do a code dot. Okay, my bash is not restarted. Code dot, yeah. VS Code opens up, I cancel this out. Yeah, okay. Okay, so this is my Tauri app. So what I'm thinking is, uh, this is a source Tauri. I never explored, by the way. I just only installed all the things I need. Once you install recommended settings for Rust programming language and Tauri for this repository. So let's maybe install. Let's see what happens. Tauri, yeah, install. Hmm, 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 hmm. We'll see what happens. It's still installing. In the meantime, let's go back. Let's check out the folder structure, right? So we have a node modules, which is basically the npm one. We have a source folder, which contains all the app.tsx and everything. Maybe this is the native bundler of this, from where the app starts. So, okay. So this creates a white. Okay, so there will be a white config maybe somewhere. Yeah, white config.ts. Yeah, okay. Okay, correct. Okay. Now we have a white setup. I'm coming back to white very, very. I used to use white like 1 year ago, 1 year or 2 year ago maybe. But yeah, after that I didn't use white that much. So that's that. Okay. So let's check out the dev and why is it not starting actually? Okay, it's still like doing its stuff. Okay, in the meantime, let's check once. So, okay, creating a project is done. I did all this. I do this. I run npm run Tauri dev. Okay, and it is telling me if you already have an existing front end to or prefer to set it up yourself, you can use the Tauri CLI to initialize the backend for your project separately. I see. So if you have a front end already built, you can use this actually, Tauri CLI, to like integrate that to your uh, native system. Okay, front end configuration, Leptos. Oh, this is like different types of things. Okay, I don't need this. Upgrade and migrate. Okay, maybe we'll see that later. Um, what? Develop. Calling the front end from Rust. Calling Rust from the front end. Okay, let's see. Develop. Now you have everything set up. You are ready to run. Okay, maybe I should not. Code concept I'll see later. But yeah, maybe security I should not remove. My identifier description describes the impact and more. Command allow read file. Okay, I can allow a read file in here. Okay, that's one. That's a good thing. My scope deny. This is a secret. Maybe I want to hide some secrets. I can hide it in here. Command scopes. Let's check what we have in command scope. This is mostly toml. Yeah, correct. Capabilities. I don't know. I don't need. And what I need right now is a develop. So let's check the overview. Now you have everything set up. Run your application using Tauri. If you are using a UI framework or JavaScript bundler, you like to access the server development site. Okay, that will speed up your development process. JavaScript bundler, you likely have access to development server. That will speed up your development process. So you haven't configured your app's development URL, dev URL, and script that starts it. You can do via dev URL and before dev command config value. Okay, so I can give something like this. I prefer this actually. Let's do that actually. Let's have that. Tauri config.json. Oh, what is it saying? So it's saying I can put this inside that. Okay, so let's check. This is the whole scheme, and I can actually put. Oh, yeah, we have that. Okay, so when this starts, I can hit that URL maybe. Maybe let's try to hit that URL right now. localhost. What was that? 1420. Okay, localhost 1420. Let's see. Okay, yeah, this shoots up. Okay. This takes time, but yeah, maybe this will start. Okay, let's see how much time this will take. Okay, let's see. Come on. Yeah, okay. This shoots up. Okay, this is faster actually. If I do a greet, what happens? Oh, Rust is not up. Okay. Maybe we have to wait. Maybe. Yeah, yeah. I think we have to wait. Let's see. Couple of things to check. So I'm guessing you can use any kind of what is it called? Any kind of library with this. Okay, our Tauri app is live. So now before I go to that, let's check. Does this work? No, it doesn't. Why? Okay, this is not working for some reason. But yeah, in here this is working. Okay. So basically the native thing will not work on browser, okay? That's okay. I don't think that will be too much of a problem. Okay, so now this is the app basically, and this starts from maybe let's check once. This is starting from app.tsx. Correct. Okay. So this source is everything. This source is your everything right now. So you have everything inside this. This is the React SVG. What I don't need actually. We'll see. White and .det. Okay, I don't think I need that. Also, I need app.css. Okay. We'll see about this. So mostly I don't think I need anything. So input tag, what does it do? When I tap on greet, there's a submit button. So there will be a from, right? From, yeah, this is the from. So whenever this from submits, this is a prevent default and then a greet function. What does this greet do? Greet is basically sending a set greet message. And this is okay, this is a async function. Okay, that's okay. Which calling a invoke. Invoke is coming from where? Okay, invoke is coming from Tauri app.core. Okay. Okay. React logo is useless. This is useless. Which is calling greet. Okay. Maybe let's check one thing, which is invoke. Oh, invoke is a code function. Okay. So I'm thinking, where is this calling from? Maybe let's check the docs once. Docs. We don't need the this one. Overview. Okay. 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 Otherwise, if you are not using UI framework or module bundler, you can point Tauri to your front-end source code and the Tauri CLI will start development server for you. Okay. No, I'm not doing that. So develop your application npm run dev, which I did. Opening the web inspector. You can open the web inspector debug in your application to perform right click on the, oh, okay. Okay. Control Shift I. Control Shift I. Oh, okay. Nice. We have DevTools in here. Okay. So I can go to inspect. Okay, nice, 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 nice. This is nice. Okay, now we can inspect and do everything. Okay, but this is on light mode. Shit. Developing your mobile application, we can do this. Okay, okay. Development server. This is the server config maybe. Yeah, Tauri devnet force IP prompt. Okay, if you are trying to do something with your IP or ports, you can do that from here. And this is on which I'm guessing this is on Tauri. So where was that? Tauri config. Yeah. No, 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 no. Yeah, I think this is on cargo.log is not the one. Build.rs is not the one. This is not the one. Cargo.log is not the one. Build.rs is not the one. Tauri config. This is basically it. No, this is like an that code. What is it called? White code. Okay. We'll see. Device selection. So this is a device selection. You can do a device selection if you are running on different setup. I'm not doing that. Calling the front end from Rust. Okay. This document includes guides to on how communicate with your application frontend from your Rust code. Okay, so you can invoke Rust code. So to see how to communicate with your Rust code from your frontend, see calling Rust from the frontend. Okay, we'll open this up later, but yeah, the Rust side of your Tauri application can call from the frontend by leveraging Tauri event system. The Rust side of your Tauri application can call the frontend by leveraging the Tauri event system using channel or directly evaluating JavaScript code. Okay, event system. So there is some kind of event system which triggers some kind of model or something, subscription model or something else. Event system. Tauri ships a simple event system you can use to have bi-directional communication between Rust and your front end. Oh, okay, nice. So this is basically a back end to front end communication. The event system was designed for the situation where small amounts of data need to be streamed, or you need to implement a multi-consumer, multi-producer pattern. Okay, push notification system. Okay, yeah, correct. So you want to push notification to your native uh, the Windows or anything, then you use this kind of system. The event system is not designed for low latency or high throughput situations. Okay, you cannot expect like low latency system. So like one trigger and the system comes. You cannot expect that, and also the high throughput is not a good thing for this. Okay, see the channel section for the implementation optimization. Okay, channel section, we'll see that later also. For the implementation optimized for streaming data. Okay, let's see that right now. Oh, so this is on Rust. I will mostly don't understand any of it. So yeah, I'm gonna leave for now. Now the event system is not designed for, okay, the major differences between Tauri command and the Tauri event are that events have a no strong type support. Okay. Okay, now that's confusing. Okay. Difference is between Tauri command and Tauri event are that events have no strong type support. Okay. There is no strong type support between like the event section where you communicate with the front end. Okay, yeah, we'll see about that. Event payloads are always JSON strings, making them not suitable for bigger messages, and there is no support for capability system to fine grain control event data and channels. Okay, okay, the app handle and web view window types implement with the listener and emitter traits. Okay, so this is some kind of trait which will have a listener and emitter. Okay, events are either global, deliverable to all listeners, or web view specific, only deliverable to web view matching a given level. Okay, so your web view will have something, some kind of different label in them. Okay, I'll keep that in mind. Okay, global events. To trigger a global event, you can use the emitter emit function. Okay, so you use Tauri, and I'm guessing this is importing something from there. Okay, and Tauri command, and you write a function. I know very little bit of Rust, so fn, this is a function definition. So you do a function definition. You imported this app handle from here, which is defining the type of this, and URL is a string. Okay, fine. Tauri command, which is a Tauri command. Okay, so this is a command, this is not a event, or this is a event, I don't know. It says it's a command. Okay, app.emit. Okay, app.emit download started URL unwrap. I have no idea what this does, but yeah, global event deliverable. Okay, okay, I don't understand any of it. Maybe we'll see. But in the meantime, what we can do is we can inspect for this greet. Where is this getting called from? Capabilities, I don't think that one is the one. This is all JSON. This is not the one. Icon is not the one. SRC, yeah, now this could be it. Okay, so let's check the main.rs. Main.rs is running this test Tauri lib. Okay, where is this? This is on lib. Okay, okay, you can already see there is a one command, Tauri command. Okay, which takes a name, string, and this print the string out. Okay, which is good. So I'm guessing if I write this like this, fn call main, and if I do that, format So let's call whatever it's called hello. To give string, and we have to accept name, which will be a what is it called actually? I forgot. What is it called? It's called maybe string slice or something. Give the name in here. Oh, I cannot. Okay. Oh yeah, this is a format. I actually forgot last. Yeah, now if I do that, if I save, can I call this first of all? Oh, I cannot. Okay. Generate handler. Greet. Oh, you have to pass that in here also. So what is this? Invoke handler. Maybe. Yeah. So call main. If I pass it in here, what happens? Call main is never used, but yeah, I use that. Why are giving me never used? Macro command call means so I'm guessing I have to give this. Maybe if I give this, this will be corrected or this will not be corrected. What happens? So this is out of scope for some reason. I don't know. Let's search for this. You cannot find value in the scope. Okay. Oh no. Okay, so this takes a bit of time. This Rust analyzer. Yeah, but now this has an entry point. Okay. So maybe now I can call this instead of calling that. Okay, now this should be reloaded, right? If I pass Ayush in here. Okay, no, this is not reloaded yet. So how do I check if this is reloaded or not? Okay, HRM update. This is updated. You've granted Rust. Refresh. Maybe now let's give. Yeah, now this is okay. So you have to refresh, okay? Now that's okay. So what I'm guessing is let's go for our very classical uh, thing, a to-do application, right? So what we do is instead of create, let's remove everything. So set greet message, okay? Okay. Just before I remove everything, I want to see like what I was doing. So whenever I type something, it updates the state of this name. Okay, fine. And now I hit this greet button, which calls this function because this is a submit button for this from, and this from has a submit of this, which prevents the site from reloading and call this function, which is a async function. This async function calls this invoke with this parameter, which is the function in this lib.rs. What it does is it basically it basically gives you back a string, right? A string, and this app then save this to this greeting message. Previously this was empty, and now this is giving something back. Okay, seems okay, seems fine. Yeah, up till this point understandable. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make another function which will call clear. Okay, now what it will do is I'll invoke another function in here which will be this one, clear. So it will accept a name and it will give back a empty string. Okay, a empty string. Fine. Now what will happen is cmd in scope find macro. Okay, so I have to use this one. Okay, instead of using this, let's remove. Actually, I don't need that. So I removed, and what happened here? Oh, okay. So this is one more stuff. So what's happening is I'm not giving back any kind of data and not accepting any data at all. Maybe that's the issue. So I can't do that. So maybe uh, yeah, maybe we'll see. Okay, so what this does is, oh sorry, I don't want to remove this, I just want to see if this works fine or not here. Okay, if I do that, I take another button, I remove this type, I do a on click, and I do a clear. um, Multiple formatter configure prettier. Yeah, if I save this, looks fine. Can you remove this clear? না করলাম তো, বলে তুললাম না করলাম তো। Yeah, let's save, let's go back, this will be greet, so should be working correctly now. Yeah, this is done. Oh, hold on, compile failed. Did I close the Tauri? Oh yeah, it rebuilded. Okay, so grid is this button, so maybe I'll change the name from grid to something else. Clear. Okay, and put this in here. Maybe I'll add a CSS a little bit. So what I'm going to do is, oh shit, I'm going to do a wrap box, no, not box, div. I didn't install that yet. So div, and I'm going to give a inline CSS of display flex space justify content, no, not justify content, maybe align items center John Magada. Gap 10 pixel. Yeah, seems okay. Okay, and if I do this grid, I do a clear. No, this is not removing. I grid clear. Nothing is happening. What happened? Hmm. I set it to have nothing, and instead of this, let's call a function itself. Oh, my bad. Actually, my bad. Let's check this from here. We're doing async. Let's do async. Now it's working. So this is because of the form. I'm such a noob. Okay, anyways. So that was happening because of the form. Yeah, okay. Now this seems okay. So we'll go ahead and make something different. So what I'm going to do is, let's have some core things in here. Okay. What we are going to do is, we are basically going to have a div in here. Div. Okay. Uh, Div. Okay. Oh, maybe I don't have that thing. Oh yeah. Auto close tag. Something. This is called. Yeah. Auto close tag. Auto rename tag. Auto rename. Rename tag. Tag. Install. Yeah, seems okay. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm mainly going to remove this first, and what I'm going to do is, we are going to make a const to do list, set to do list, and use state which will be a this one, and let's make it type safe by doing a string. Okay, now what I'm going to do is uh, basically I'll use main thing. Maybe let's build the to-do list display app div. So in here I'll do a to-do list a dot map dot to do. I'll take the help, and this will be a p tag, and every p tag will have this to do. Okay, and one more thing will give keep key will not be to do, it will be index. So index will be this. If I do that now it will be printing all the things. Okay, right? So now I need an input tag. Input tag will have a type text on change to do list. Okay, oh yeah, this already took the whole thing. Okay, anyways, that's good. Value, no, which is wrong. I'll give like a value to do text input, set to do text input, use stat, which will be a string type. String. Okay, seems okay. ওমা খাবো না আমি রাতে ভাত। আমি চাউমিন কিনে আনছি। ইচ্ছা করছে না। দাও তাহলে আর কি হবে। ঠিক আছে ঠিক আর বকো না আমি ইয়েতে আছি পরে। বাইরে গিয়ে কথা বলো। আর ইয়েটা আটকাও, দরজাটা আটকাও, বাইরে গিয়ে কথা বলো। Okay, now what I'm going to do is instead of doing that, let's add this. Instead of doing this, e.target.value, which will enable us to save this, and then we'll add a button. We'll think about like the design a bit later, but okay. On click, what it will do is it will take it will return if to do text input is empty, which will be or we can do one thing. Yeah, let's do this. Actually, instead of doing that, let's disable the button. Disabled if this is empty. To do text input triple equals to null, then this is disabled, and now on the on click we'll call the set to do list and do this. Correct? This is okay. Now instead, oh shit, I forgot to put something. Add to do. Now maybe a little bit design, yeah. Dev, this will go in a what is it called, style, right? Inside this width will be 100%, and display flex align items center, no not center, align item center, yeah, center, and gap will be a 1 rem. Should be fine. And let's disable this. Actually, I don't need that, so should be looking good. And now if I do say something, eat medicine, which I always forget. Yeah, this is a eat medicine comes in here. And now what we can do is we can like make this a bit better. How we do that is that index plus 1 dot or oh, okay, we can do this ul unordered list. No, let's take ordered list, and we do a li. Instead of doing this, let's remove everything. Let's save this. Yeah, and now this is maybe refresh. Can I refresh? Yeah, I can refresh. Eat medicine. Yeah, okay. Works fine. Looks fine. And one more thing we can add a little bit in here is we also clear set to do list to do text input to null. Yeah, seems okay. Eat lunch. Okay, seems fine. Working okay. Now, uh, yeah, this works nice. Yeah, this is like a simple front end. Now let's enclose this hole with this whole thing, whatever this is. So this is something you can authenticate with. Correct. I'm guessing this is some kind of authentication, and calling the front end from Rust. So this is how you call front end from Rust. So I'm guessing after you submit this whole thing, you get the app handle data you receive. How are you getting this app handle data? That's strange, but okay. So, mm, let's see. WebView event. To trigger an event and to a listener registered by a specific WebView, you can use emit to function. Okay, fine. It is also possible to trigger an event to a list of WebView by calling emit a filter. In the following example, we emit a open file event to the main and file viewer WebView. Okay. So this is a open file. I'm not getting this, but okay, I'll see. Maybe I'll try to like catch up on Rust a bit before doing anything crazy. So now let's come to a bigger question in here. Can I actually call my backend some kind of URL? Open API testing URL free API. Yeah, let's see. Let's check this out. So give me a free API, public API, and just get a list of any public APIs currently cataloged in the project. URL. What does this give me? Not found. Okay, now that's bad. So cat facts. Let's see. Unlike other cats, lions have a stuff. Okay, cat facts. Okay, yeah. This we can use. Let's see. Let's make a function in here. Uh, uh, function call cat facts. Oh shit, I messed the whole function setup. Okay. Anyway, now if I do a okay, I have to make this async also, right? Await fetch. First is the input. Okay. Next is the init response. So this will be not body. Method. Method will be get, and that should do it actually. I don't need to pass anything other than this. So let's actually call it in here. And instead of doing this, maybe we can use the console comes built in. Okay, and what we can do is we can save const cat facts equals to this, and then we console log this. Okay, seems doable. Let's see, let's check, refresh, and let's check our app is built up. Yeah, app is built up. So now what I do is I do 8 add. Let's go to inspect element. I have console, right? Yeah, I got a response. Oh, okay, this is the body. Oh, okay. Where is my... Okay, this is locked for some reason. Huh. Redirected false. Okay, true. This is a readable stream which is coming as locked. Okay, why? Let's check once before we do anything. Bitcoin price index BTN. Okay. Can I check that right now? Oh, I can. Okay. Let's actually add this. Hmm. Maybe instead of this, let's add a Bitcoin fact. Maybe this is a URL issue. Maybe, I don't know. Could be. Refresh. Is it updated? Yeah, it's updated. Add. Check. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, maybe instead of this, body. Refresh. Add. Yeah, okay. Seems okay. Uh, yeah, and what do we need more? Oh, maybe we have to pass header. Header will be application plus JSON. String is not a header in the... Okay, what do I do? Okay, content type, and now let's try one more time. Let's reload. Let's do this. Let's add. What do I get out of this? Okay, nothing. Something failed? I don't think so. Body I don't need. Let's do refresh. Now this is okay, maybe. Okay. Dev leveled errors also. Okay, so error is coming. Why is there nothing? Maybe you have to check the application itself. Let's see. Board if I predict the age of a person based on their name. Okay, let's go to this. In the meantime, let's check also. 28. Okay, yeah, sure, why not? Uh, that's fine. That's fine. Try me. No, that's not it. I want to check API hit point. How to do that? Basic usage, authentication. They say free to use for up to 30 per day. Okay, sure. So then, pass the input. How input fallbacks work? Okay, so what do I do? Oh, char set all response will be in. Okay, got it. Now this is okay. So char set will be a UTF-8. Char set UTF-8. save this. Let's go back, basic usage, copy, array, yeah, no, I don't need this. I just have to copy this, and what I do is, instead of doing that, in here I pass a name, right? Const URL, and this will be whatever this URL is, and let's pass this URL in here. Instead of this, let's to text input as input. Yeah, and now okay, this was a failed access. Okay, maybe something I did. Oh, this is a course policy block. Okay, okay. Yeah, let's close off. Let's check if everything is running correctly. Yeah, it's run. Now, if I, let's say, add to do, what happens now? Yeah, it failed. I'm guessing this is also because of from origin course has been blocked. Okay, so course origin has been blocked from this. If fetch has been blocked by course policy requested. Okay, so we can hit this actually pre-flight situation. So maybe I have to fix that also once. I fix this once. Yeah, free fetch origin course policy. Mode no course. Yeah. Okay, I think this should work. Mode no course. What does it say? Try using no course mode. Okay, no course. Save. Tauri reload. Add. Yeah, it gave me something. Opaque. Okay, you are redirected. I don't actually know. So maybe let's try out one package. Axios. npm-ay Axios. Let's try this out once. Control J. npm-ay Axios. See if that works or not. Yeah, it's working. Okay, nice. So instead of doing this fetch call, maybe you will do like an const age fact equals to await axios dot get, and now let's import axios dot get URL, which will give me some facts about this. hfact dot body. Oh no. Yeah, I think this is called data. Yeah, correct. So maybe I'll fetch the data itself directly. Yeah, maybe that's okay, I think. Correct. Refresh, and what do I get? Oh yeah, I got the data. Okay. Yeah, so I need to do a body JSON.parse in there in case of that what is it called, the fetch, but in here I don't have to do that. So yeah, this works quite nice. So age count and I so let's do a cleaner version of this. So maybe what we'll do is we take a name. Okay, right? Placeholder will be a name. Enter your name, right? We try to enter the name. For example, EG Ayush. Okay, and what it does is maybe name. I'm trying to explore like as many possible things as we can. So this is basically a React app, right? So I'm trying to explore those things. Okay, so name, if I pass in to do, yeah, and in the button, what I do is, if name is, there is no name, it is disabled. Otherwise, what I do is, now this will save up a new object. Okay, so let's make an interface. Okay, and now what I do is, person count, not person count, uh name object. Okay, this will have a name string, age, number, and one more thing. What was there? Age, count, and name string, age, and count. count, I think. count. Okay, number. Okay, right, this is okay. And now instead of this, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to save this. Okay, so this is okay. And instead of this, I pass a name right now, which is correct. This is passed, and now what I do is, instead of to do text tab, so this is not anymore to do, person data base, save person database. Okay, and now what I do is, should I make a table? I'm thinking. Yeah, actually I think I should. So let's make a function, uh on name submit. Correct. So this will be a async function. And instead of calling all this, I'll call directly this one. Correct. No. Let's directly pass this in here. Correct. What I'm going to do in this case is, maybe, yeah, now I pass it in here. Instead of to do, persona name details. Yeah, and this will be index. So name object, and what is this name? Yeah, name object. So name object has name, count, and yeah. So if I print name, what happens? Yeah, this will happen. Okay, yeah, this is okay. So what I'm going to do is, instead of a OL, let's define a table, right? And I actually forgot how to write table in here. Table tag. Yeah, let's check this out. TR, T heading, and TD. TD is the data and row of this one. Okay. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to copy this. I'm going here, save. In here I'll give name, count. I'm going to copy one more thing. I'm going to pass as age. Okay, correct. This is okay. And now what I'm going to do is, after this, I'll start looping through this base. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to do a map, person, and index value, index. And what I'm going to do is, I'm going to take a tr, which key will have index. Correct. This is done. Now what I'll do is, uh, I'll take a td, person name, td, person count, age. Done, which is correct. Add to do button. Now this functionality, URL will give me this. Fine. So age fact will have couple of things, right? So this will be a name object mostly, right? uh no, sorry. So what I'm going to do is to do a data. Okay, and instead of doing this, I'm going to remove this, and data could be anything, but I'm going to pass it to name object. Name object. Yeah, and now I'm going to print this data. What is the issue? Name object is declared, but okay, I cannot do that. Oh yeah, I can do like this actually. Name object, data dot name object. Yeah, correct. This is okay. And now what I do is I do a set persona like this data, and what I do, I put everything inside this in a try. Oh shit, I messed up. Yeah, now in here I put a try, which will enforce me to do a catch. Error console.log log error fetching name data. Okay, so this is okay. Oh, and one more thing I want to try. So console.time name fetch, and I'm trying to time end. Oh shit, time end. I am also trying to see like how much time this takes calling this whole thing. Okay, so let's cross it off. Let's go back, and maybe I'll like do very basic thing. Uh, Style, so that we can understand at least. So with 100% padding, 1 rem. This is done, and now for every kind of tr, I'm thinking of putting a class maybe in app.css. So where's my app.css? Yeah, in here. Let's take everything. Let's oh no, I don't want to remove them. Let it be there. What I want to do is, instead I want to put a table row. Table row display flex justify content space between align item center, max width, um, 40 rem. 40 rem is fine, I think. Now I have to align this whole thing. Padding 1 rem. Okay, display flex, maybe. Yeah, I think display flex, flex direction column. No, not column, nothing else. I do align item center, justify content. Yeah, looks fine. Okay, now what I do is I put a tr class name will be, what was the name? Did I just put table row? Yeah, this is the name, and the same thing will have in this one. Okay, now if I refresh, Okay, why didn't it? Oh, I gave a max width, right? Min width. No, let's put a width of 40 instead of doing that. Okay, no. I don't want to do that. Let's do. Yeah. Now if I do, let's check out. Ayush. Oh, okay. This is coming one after another, but this should not happen. But yeah, let's check once what is happening. This is basically a CSS issue. So yeah. Correct. This is happening because of this. Everything is coming one after another. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a grade and grade template column 1fr 1fr. Yeah, now this is okay. Yeah, correct. Now let's say, oh, one more thing I have to do in this add to do. After everything is done, I clear out this name, whatever this is. Set a name will be cleared out, and if there is an error, this will not be cleared out. Okay, seems okay. Refresh. Now let's try. Let's take a name, any name. Alex. এটা আছে তোমাকে সবসময় ব্যবহার করতে হবে হ্যাঁ 47 3 okay Nemo. Okay, it has like all of this. Okay. Something, let's try something. Tens maybe. 31, 36. Okay. Total count is 31 and age is 36. Okay, nice. Yeah, this is working. So we can call data from our front end. Okay. This is callable. So that's one. So basically you can make a whole thing from here itself. And to expose like native UI system, you can call the Rust natives. Seems good. Good application. So, okay. This is one good thing. Okay. And let's do a um, so basically to push notification and all those things, we have to have a knowledge of Rust, little bit of Rust maybe. Yeah, so yeah, maybe we'll build our this desktop API first, and then we'll go to like our front end for our that app, financial advisor app. Okay, seems good. Yeah, this was a short stream on this basically. See you again. Bye.